Hi. Hello from Bandra. Today I walked from my house at Bandra Bazaar on the back lane of Bandra Reclamation. I walked up Jabello Road, St. Sebastian Road, past Good Luck, met Mohammad Bhai. He has parcel services going on. And from there I climbed up the steps to Mount Mary. I'm really tired. I walked about 1 hour. And now I will go via Kane Road to Bandstand and back home. I don't want to walk too much because my legs are hurting. So this is the other side of Mount Mary. I normally would walk from Bandstand to Kane Road and to Mount Mary and then take a rickshaw from here, go home. Now I'm trying the other way, so let's see. Shall walk. Wife doesn't want me to walk too much. There are a few others walking. The most peaceful area of Bandra. Most of the candle shops are closed due to the lockdown. And the lockdown is really hard and tough on the poor people living in Mumbai. That is. That is Mount Mary gate. I'm outside the gate. This is a very close and good, handsome friend of mine.
Hi.
All good.
All good.
What are you doing? You walking here?
Walking.
Okay. Well, you lost weight.
Yes.
You lost weight. Huh? Every day you walk. Here only or somewhere else?
So you can roam anywhere.
Yeah.
Day, night, anything.
Yeah. Thank you, Irvina. God bless you, my friend. How are you, madam? So I have come to Mount Mary. Thank you, Irvina. Ramzan Mubarak to you. friend Austin. This is Mount Mary. The rosary is going on here. Pirmina Sahab, I don't think I will come to Pakistan as such. Maybe once our countries are on peaceful terms. But at the moment, thank you, Anna Majnoon. I'm not very good at this live video. I normally shoot normal videos. I'm at Mount Mary. This is it's a very peaceful place over here, and this is a landmark for Christians. This is a basilica of Mount Mary. Now everything is closed because of the lockdown in Mumbai, and the candle shops are closed. That is Mount Mary. So from here, I shall take you to a small dargah. It's next to where Mr. Subhash Ghai stays. I don't know whether, but it's a Qadri Dargah, and it's famous Dargah in Bandra. It's next to Mount Mary. So I should take you to the Dargah. Hi Manish Kamble, miss you my brother. Hope you are well. It's been a very long time. साहब मैं मोबाइल फ़ोन सिर्फ फ़ोटोज़ के लिए लेता हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा बातचीत कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ माई रिसेंट हार्ट प्रॉब्लम, माई बाईपास. सो नाउ आई विल टेक यू टू द दरगाह. दिस इज केन रोड. This is Cliff Tower, where Mr. Subhash Ghai stays. This is Cliff Tower. And this is a small lane which takes you to a dargah. I have come here with Mr. Tushar Afale and Salim Sheikh. They had invited me here. Hi Abhijit, how are you? I'm now taking you to a dargah on Mount Mary, next to Mount Mary Church. It's a very famous dargah, and let's see if I can shoot something there. This is this. This is Hindus and Christians and Muslims, they all live in peace over here. You have to climb these steps. Hi, how are you? This is the Dargah of Jafar Shah Baba. एक सेकंड. This is the Dargah of Jafar Shah Baba next to Cliff Tower, Mount Mary Road. Jafar Shah Baba Dargah. Women are not allowed in this Dargah. There is a board that says women are strictly not allowed to come inside. This is Hazrat Jafar Shah Baba Rahmatullah Alayhi. This is the Dargah inside. You can see the Dargah. This is a very famous Dargah in Bandra, Mount Mary. A lot of people come here during normal times, but now this is the lockdown, so the Dargah is closed. This is the Dargah, you can see inside. So the Loban has been. पहचाना आपने मुझे? नहीं, मैं जरा लोगों को बता रहा हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे.
नहीं अच्छी बात है, माशाल्लाह.
कुछ बोलिए आप जरा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम अस्सलाम. अल्लाह सारी कौमों मिल्लत की सबकी इस बीमारी से सबको महफूज फरमाए. हमारे हिंदुस्तान की हिफाजत अता फरमाए. हिंदुस्तान के मुल्क वालों की हिफाजत फरमाए. बीमारियों से शिफा बाबा हुजूर जाफर शाह मस्तान के सदक़े सबको शिफा कामिला आजिला कुल्ली अता फरमाए.
See, he says, for those who don't know, I mean, Angel Sarah, he is saying that he prays for all of you all, and he wants this disease to go, he wants this virus to go, and he prays not just for himself or for the Muslims, he's praying for all, everybody, every community. And this Dargah, Jafar Shah Baba's Dargah, it is really, really unique. The reason being that this is a locality that has Christians, Muslims, Hindus, and they all live in peace over here. And this is the beauty of Bandra, of Bandra.
India also.
Yeah, it's quite a. आपका उर्स कब होता है? आपका उर्स नवंबर कब?
नवंबर 1, 2, 3.
On 1st, 2nd and 3rd is the Urus. That is the annual celebration of the Holy Saints thing, you know. So I just came. आज मेरा भी ऑपरेशन हुआ है ना, बाईपास हुआ है. बहुत टाइम के बाद मैं आया. मैं एक बार आ चुका हूँ, सलीम भाई के साथ आया था. सलीम शेख, तुषार अफाले साहब, और बाकी सब ठीक है. सो दे विश यू द वेरी बेस्ट. आप भी यहीं रहते हो? नहीं, दिस इज लाइव.
So I stay in Bangalore.
I took bath in 2000. I became a Malang in 2011.
Also, you
At
belong to
Ajmer.
Kalandria Silsila.
No, not Kalandria.
Okay.
I belong to Madaria.
Madaria.
But I am also close to. I am close to. I'll tell you what.
What, please?
I am very close to Kalandria,
Okay.
and that is Busha Kalandar.
Bu Ali Shah Kalandria.
Bu Ali Shah Kalandar in Panipat,
Panipat.
and there is this Masum Ali Baba,
Masum Ali.
Haji Masum Ali Baba.
Yes,
There is,
Masum Ali Shah Rahmatullah.
yeah, he is his son Mehtab.
Okay. So you are the disciples of Masum
Yeah,
Ali Shah.
yeah. I'm actually a friend of his because I have walked something. I don't know if you know about it. It's called छड़िया. छड़ियों में क्या होता है? दिल्ली से अजमेर तक पैदल चलते हैं. मलंग,
अच्छा.
चिश्तिया,
अच्छा.
साबरी, निज़ामी, कलंदरी, बानवा, ये सब पैदल चलते हैं। मैं उनके साथ चला था 2017 में।
अच्छा,
अब तो खैर अब नहीं चल पाऊंगा क्योंकि
नहीं इंशाल्लाह क्यों
मेरी
चलेंगे?
नहीं बहुत हालत ख़राब है। अभी भी आपको बता रहा हूँ 1 घंटा में चला हूँ। हाय विनाश भाई, हाउ आर यू? कांदेवली का खंजर। सो दीज आर ब्यूटीफुल पीपल।
He is beautiful.
No. You all also, you all are reflecting his glory. No.
Everyone.
No. What I'm saying that at least you're talking to me and explaining. A lot of people don't have time to explain
You know
all
what,
this.
Mr. Firoz, it's our honor to have few words with you.
No.
And you know what, I'm
And you can
immensely
see
happy.
you can see this on YouTube.
Definitely.
I will download it there.
I'm gonna go there.
Yeah, all the best. See you all. So now I'm taking your leave. And now, bye. So these were the people there, the Mujawir or Khadim. And कसं काय बरं आहे? तब्येत पाणी? हां. So this is the dargah, as you can see, dargah of Jafar Ali Baba. Hi Rehana, my sister, the cat lady of Bangalore. In your next birth, you're going to come back as a Persian cat. I'm sure about it. There's no denying. So, this is a locality. This is the Catholic presence, the Christian presence here. So you have, this is the Hindu presence here. This is the Hindu presence here. So you have a Hindu temple here, a Christian presence here, and then you have, over there is the Sufi Dargah of Jafar Shah Baba. And there are these lovely kids sitting over here thinking this uncle is mad. See? So now I'm walking up. Oh Rehana, what is home? Home is in the heart. Home is in the head. And home is when I'm dead. Salam Pirbina Sahab. The dargah in Pakistan that I see in my dreams, and people have seen me there. I have never been to that dargah. I have some friends in Pakistan, and they tell me they see me there. I have never been, and it is Shahbaz Kalandar, Damadam Mast Kalandar. So one day, when God makes it possible, I will come to Shahbaz Kalandar. I am very close to the Kalandari Silsila in Panipat, Bu Ali Shah Kalandar. I have walked 1.5 hours. Now I will get down from Kane Road to Bandstand and then head home. So this is a place that is called Kane Road. It is a steep incline, and on this road I hold a press card, so there isn't much of a problem there, and most of the Mumbai police know me. I'm documenting the lockdown since 23rd March 2020. All my videos on the lockdown are on my YouTube channel. Kane Road has a lot of people walking. You can see. Normally I come from Bandstand to Kane Road, but this time I've come the other way. I've come via Good Luck Restaurant, the steps, and Kane Road. Now I'm heading towards Bandstand. Thank you, Yasser. Great man. How's your dad, man? Give him my regards, and your brother and your family. I miss Hyderabad the most after Mumbai. It's like a second home to me. You guys are so beautiful. Bless you all. Oh, the government is already caning dead bodies here. Now what more do you want, Rihanna? I don't want to get into an argument with me because you're more fluent in your English than I am. I'm just learning. You were the best in your field, Rihanna. I wish God sends me a whole pile load of money and I could help you out and help your cats. But it doesn't seem so. Things have been really bad. For more than 1.5 years, I've had no work at all. I got 2 assignments of, thanks to Mr. Shakti Kapoor. But it's been a long time now. So my sons are helping me out. My daughter Samia is helping me out. My brother from London, from Birmingham, Firdaus, he called me. He's very fond of you, Rihanna. He loves you a lot. This is Kane Road. Lot of activity here. This is Bandstand Cooperative Housing Society. Hi Hadi, brother Hadi, how are you? You're not to be seen in the building, yaar. क्या बात है? Oh, Rihanna, I'm depleted. I don't do anything wrong. I don't crib about anybody. I take life as it comes. I have no issue with anybody's religion. I have no issue with anybody's culture. I think we should all live. See, and this is right at the back is the bandstand. Okay, 1 second. It's hot here also. Yeah, Bandra is beautiful. Paresh Parmar. Basically, this Bandra is the Bandra of the rich. The rich, the affluent, the celebrities, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, they are all on this patch of Bandra. The poor Bandra is where I live. And the poor Bandra is Bandra East. And I mean, Bandra East is also a rich man's place, but I'm talking about the slums. Behrampada, Garib Nagar. And there are a lot of slums in Bandra West, Indraji Nagar, Rajiv Nagar. And that's I don't know if you can see it. You can see that's a husky. So Bandra, and this is Bandra at the back, is bandstand. भागन ग्रंथली से नवे मुक्ति पारू. It has Advocate Ashish Shela's name. This is my friend. आओ ना इधर यार, डरते क्यों? He is my friend. He is a watchman. Jai Maharashtra. और जय श्री राम, कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया।
क्या तबीयत ठीक है? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
नहीं।
चलो, आई मीट हिम एवरी टाइम आई वॉक ऑन दिस साइड। थैंक्स। हाय Luzina, how are you? We haven't met as such, but now I am come to bandstand. There is a lot of police presence on bandstand. They don't allow people to walk. They don't allow cyclists. They don't allow joggers. They don't allow walkers. That's it. You can see this is the Nakabandi. So I'll have to shut off my video. Take care. Bye. All the best.